but amaphoyisa njengamanje kumele engabe abopha uLongwethwala for killing uSenzo. Senzo was shot by Ulongwethwala. There was no one who entered the house. Bese ebopha all these police who have defeated the ends of justice. Senzo was shot by Ulongwethwala. Listen. A call was made by Tumelo. The first call when Senzo was shot. What Tumelo, a boyfriend Kazandi, of which he didn't know by name, had shot Senzo, and then a phone was dropped. At the background, Ukeli, she was crying, Senzo. And that information was given to the SAPS. Why they do not want to arrest Ulongwethwala, I do not know. You can quote me on that one. His boyfriend, Kazandi, at the time shot and killed Senzo Meyiwa in cold blood. We were told when Senzo was shot by Utumel. And then we made a call back. What do you mean? What's his boyfriend, Kazandi? Uzandi, the Kavana boyfriend at the end. He shot Senzo. And the police were told, that several times by the person who was called. So I don't know with Simanje, these things about makeup, by makeup. If they don't want to do the investigation, they should leave it, because they know we've told them. The person who called us said his boyfriend Kazandi shot Senzo because there was an argument between them.
Amaphoyisa athini ngoba uyabona lento oyiclaimayo manje la emoyeni, it could be very damaging for uLongwethwala. Siyazi ukuthi ukhuluma la ngendodana kaChiko Thwala osaziwayo la eSouth Africa. Nangumbuzo engifuna ukubuza wona ukuthi uma nisa lolu daba emaphoyiseni nithi naku kuthiwa, in fact sezwa efonini kuthiwa uLongwethwala uye noDubula Senzo, amaphoyisa athini kunina about ukumbopha or ukumyekela?
For me and my family, ukuthi bayambopha noma bambophi, it is up to them. It's long overdue. We said to the police several times, and the good police who are in the side of justice have said it to Guti. There was no one who entered the house. Yes, who are working on this case. Even who advocate Chauke in Gauteng, he confirmed it, Guti. According to the information that was given to him, there is no one. I had a live recording of Advocate Chauke saying, Guti, according to him as an advocate, experienced advocate, there was no one who entered the house. So what else must we say? What else must we say?
Uma sesiqeda ingxoxo yethu but siyabonga. Umndeni wakwaMeyiwa namhlanje uthini ngoba sikhuluma nje ubaba Meyiwa akasekho emhlabeni. Ushone umuntu owabulala indodana yakhe engakathola. Umama kaSenzo njengamanje isimo sakhe sinjani?
Uma uhlezi ekhala, it is sad ukuthi South Africa abantu besifazane that they claim to protect. Nabonke labo mama have never shown sympathy to Uma kaSenzo. Yet the killer, we know ukuthi, and the people of the law of this country have said ukuthi there was no one who entered the house. And the person who was visiting Senzo for the first time, who didn't know than his boyfriend, but said to us on the phone, his boyfriend Zandi has shot Senzo, and we said that to the police. Angengikhulume ngoma ngoba uma ubuhlungu bethu, ubuhlungu she's always been, and he lost a son. And the saddest thing ukuthi baqhamuka nalento ngoba sewukuthi inyanga yokushona kaSenzo. I don't know, they are doing it, but basebenzisa le tactical abahleze beyisebenzisa ukuthi when they're supposed to arrest bazoqhamuka nalento. If I'm not making up these stories, Longwethwala shot Senzo. bene-argument noZandi.
Yeah.
That's all. We as a family, we know. Long shot, Twala, short friends. Bene-argument noZandi. Ukuthi abambophi ngani, they well, bayazibona. But uNkulunkulu ngelinye ilanga uyosihila amanxeba and nabanye bebemthanda uSenzo wangempela they will be healed. But in fact, to know this, we know which long Twala short Senzo, because a person who was there within the first hour, he never met Longo, he never met. He called us and told us which is Zandi's boyfriend, a short Senzo.